Hey guys, so in this video we'll be learning about how to access the token from the Facebook page and how to access the app ID, how to access the app secret password. Okay, so for that let's start with it. So please guys, before starting, please subscribe my channel and share the videos, like the videos guys. So let's get started in this. Like, first we have to go to developerfacebook.com. okay, so in this is a Facebook website, and yeah, so I have already created one app. Okay, so I have created one Funda app. If you want to know how to create this app, you can go to my previous video and check out how to create an app. So let's click on my app over there, and it's loading. Yeah, so this is my app page, and now if we want to get app ID, so this is app ID, it is shown here, but you want to get the app secret also. Okay, so in that we have to go to settings and go for basics, and this app ID and app secret is used to send post on Facebook using PHP. okay, for this you can see in my next video which is available. So this is app ID and app secret. Just if you click show, it will ask you for your password, and you can see your app secret and copy it, okay, and paste it over your PHP document. So if you want to know about how to posting, you can check out my video over there. And so guys, we'll be accessing now tokens. Okay, access token, right? So for that you have to go to tools, okay, then graphic API explorer. Just click on that. It's loading. So yeah, so this is our to access token. So before accessing the token, get token, it is written. So if you want to access the token on your Facebook page, right, so you have to create an Facebook page for that. Okay, so let's go to create a Facebook page. So just go to facebook.com. Okay, I have already logged in. So let's create one page. Okay, so right click on this left click on this arrow and create a page. Okay, so create a page, it's loading. Yeah, so anything, just get okay, let's get with this started. So your page name, I'll keep my page name as Funda page. Okay, and this add a category to describe your page. Nothing, education I'll give. Okay, so continue, education website, done. So continue with it. It's ready. Okay, if you want to upload your image or whatever, just click on, and I'm giving skip. Okay, so I don't want to add a cover page. Okay, it's getting created. So guys, to access the token of this page which you have created now, you have to create a page, then only your graph API explorer access token will give you the page. Okay, now it's done. So Funda page is created now. Okay, so in this now a Funda page is created. Let's go back to API explorer and refresh. Okay, so after refreshing, you'll click on get access token and you'll find your Funda page. Okay, so just click on that Funda page. Now this is your access token. Okay, so guys, this is how we access the token, and we paste it in our PHP page. Okay, when you are doing how to post on a Facebook, either a message, link, image, whatever. Okay, so now you have learned 4 things in this, like how to get the app ID, app secret, and how to create a Facebook page, and how to get the access token, okay, by Graph API Explorer. Okay guys, so thank you for watching this video, and Please subscribe my channel, like the video, share the video. Thank you guys.